Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. So for this video, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the last few remaining watches that I'm going to get for this year, 2024. The first one I'm going to look at is from my authorized dealer that is local to me, Nash Jewellers. They actually held a really nice Christmas party yesterday, but unfortunately it was hampered by like the 3 feet of snow that fell very quickly. Nevertheless, I made it out, and the watch in hand is a Hamilton that I've wanted to check out since its release last year. And that is the Hamilton Field Expedition. This is the 41mm version with the blue dial. I actually wanted to pick this up on a bracelet, but I don't think they offer the bracelet on the blue dial option, which is kind of unfortunate, but I could always order it later. Now, I actually had this set in the store, so that's why you see it running right now. But I really like the 41mm dimensions. Seems like it's got a fairly thin profile. Also like the Powermatic 80 that's ticking away here. So I really wanted a field watch that had a bit of pop of color, and I think that the Expedition is really going to fit the bill, and I can take it out for some excursions in the new year. Alright, so why don't we unbox this DHL package that just arrived yesterday as well. If you're familiar with that Z logo, this is a Zelos release. And it comes in this very nice travel leather watch roll here. So here's the watch. This is a part of their Aurora series of timepieces, but this time they've done it in bronze. I believe this is the 42mm case. If you like this watch, they offer it in a 38mm sizing as well. But very nice looking timepiece. Love the fitted black rubber strap, and I believe it even comes with a very nice bronze bracelet, which I'm excited to check out and review on this channel as well. Alright, and the last package that arrived around the same time is from Venezianico. They're the Italian micro brand, and I've really enjoyed their designs, so they kindly sent in another watch for me to review on the channel. Holy cow, look at this manual. This is part of their Ren Tour models, and you can see it's a nice aventurine dial that's displayed. And here's the watch. Again, this is part of their Ren Tour dress watch series with that gorgeous aventurine dial. Very clean design with this one. Not necessarily the easiest to tell the time with, but really appreciate the artistic license they took with this one. I think this is the 40mm version of this particular timepiece. They also have like a 36mm if you definitely want to get those classic dress watch proportions. Yeah, I don't think the camera's doing it justice, but really like the light play coming off that aventurine dial. So here's a quick recap of the 3 different watches that I picked up recently, and I hope to do some reviews on the YouTube channel in the near future. I hope you guys have a safe and happy holiday season, And thanks to Zelos and for Venezianico for sending in some watches for the review, and for my local AD Nash Jewellers just for having excellent customer service. So that's going to wrap up this video, and I can't wait to catch you guys in the next one.